here. I don't want to knock you out. Not a bad one.
Not bad size, yeah. That size.
Watch the hook in your finger.
Hey, nice one. Good start.
Hold them up for the camera.
All right.
Here we go.
Good start. Thank you.
No tangled hooks in the net. That's even better. Yeah, I can just go nice and slow. We're just going right over here. Could just push this with the trolling motor, but this will be a little bit faster.
Where are you buying? Okay, look. Wow, that's a good catch, man.
I know it came looked a little too long and slim for what we were aiming for. So sometimes when you're bass fishing, stuff like this happens. Alrighty. There he is. I got him that time. Just a little guy. I don't need the net. No. He's got a drop shot single hook. I can grab him. Thought he was bigger than that, but he's not. Oh, he's a bit bigger than I thought he was. Okay, get tired out, buddy. Are you tired out?
Nope.
No, I got it. I got it. Yeah. Whoops. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Come here. No. Just say ah. Ah. There you go. Yeah, it's okay. Come on, pop up there. Look. You're not in that good. There we go. Yeah. There. Fish. Fish. Yeah, I have fish. Man, they feel big in this current. I don't know if he's big or not, but he's like pretty heavy in the current. Well, we haven't been here too long. We had 2 bites. They might be here just sitting on this brake line before they move up. Wow. Feels heavy, but there is a lot of current here. There he is. Well, he's not that big, but a little grip on him here and get him to lift his head up. Hang on. Oh, there he is. Whoops. We got him. Well, he's good size. Bigger than I thought. Woohoo! Yeah, he's a good size. Yeah. Way bigger than I thought he was. Whoa, don't you? There, hook's out now. Oh, come here. Don't get yourself rehooked, you dum-dum. And there we go. Nice one there. I'll put him on the scale. I think he's over 3 anyhow. How did that turn off? Come on. Ugh. There we go. Mm. 3.5, 3.6.
3.6, good.
Yeah.
Good job.
And go for a swim. There's a fish. You hit it between jerks. It was just sitting out there. And I felt the line tighten up. So there's fish here. I think we will catch some more fish here. And then we're at the top. We haven't even gone down. It was usually a little bit below this island's where the good spot was before. Yeah, like in between here and the island was... Where are you going? Going out to sea, are you? Watch your rod. Don't tangle in your own rod.
Snag.
Oh, we caught on the side?
Oh, on the side, at the bottom.
Yeah.
The belly.
They take a swipe at it, and that's what happens. I'm trying to find where those other hooks are. That one. Come here. There we go. Nice one. Yeah. Not very big, but he's a jumper. I'll get him, buddy. He's tangled in the net too, so he.
It's okay.
Doom, doom, doom. Let's see if I can get the.
Yeah.
I don't want to grab that hook. I want to grab that hook. Come on, get in there. Okay, I'll have to go that way, I guess. There we go.
Okay.
Okay. Toss him over the side.
Right, that's how big it is. I think the camera goes off anyway.
And yeah, it shuts the screens off to save power.
Okay.
There you go. See you on the pause, eh? Yeah, that's the way to do it. You gotta give them a couple jerks and then just let it kind of drift back. And then they go, huh. It's like He's coming across this way, eh? Oops, don't have to now. Come around that side. I'll come through this way. They feel so big, eh? Because of the current holding them. Even the small ones feel like they're huge until you get them close and they go, ah.
He's like flopping under the water. You can feel it.
There you go. This guy's going all over the place, eh? Shoot! Whoops! There you go.
Yeah, he's not that big.
No, he's not that big. We got him hooked right by the eyeball. Just gonna need the pliers for that guy.
Oh yeah, you got something really good there.
Yeah, see, they're just swiping at it, eh?
Okay.
Okay.
All right, little one. Nice one. Okay, buddy. See you later.
Fish? No. Fish. Yeah, he hit close. That was almost all the way in. Decent one. Not huge, but it's decent. Whoops. Okay, there you go. It's right there. There you go. Popped out even. There we go. Another average sized one. Best to change your leaders and stuff once in a while. Fish. There you go. Is he out of ways? Yeah, okay. Let's see if I can get a quick knot on here before you... Yeah, it takes a while in this current to get them in, so... Yeah, this side of the island's definitely better action, eh? Billy's got a fish. Billy's got a fish. There he is. It's feisty.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a good size one. There we go. Up and in. Oh yeah, he's got some weight to him. Oh yeah. We're gonna weigh him when he's back out.
All right.
Look at that. Yeah, he's got some weight to him. It's 3.5, 4, that. Any pliers? Okay.
I don't need any more.
Okay. Let's see here. Get this. There we go. 3.5.
3.5.
Just about the same as the one I got.
Keep that before, yeah.
You want feature?
Sure.
Feature.
Yeah, give me a picture of them so at least I have that I'm gone fishing and I got some.
There we go.
Good, thank you.
Almost,
All right.
I almost fell backwards.
Yeah.
Trying to be.
Into the water. Thank you.
There you go. Okay. Well, then I'll wait to move us. Since you have a fish. closer. I seen the leader. There he is. Whoosh. Yeah. There we go. He's got some weight to him too.
Yeah, he's good.
Got him? There you go. There you go.
It's not like it let it go, right?
Yeah, he probably started swimming this way. Give you some slack line. Seems like every time you move the boat a little bit, you get bit right away. That we don't have to wait. There you go. Down on the outside of the mouth.
There's one hook.
Just one hook.
Okay.
Oh, and that hook down there.
And hook that. Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Little
Nice.
guy.
Yeah.
Zoom. There we go.
He's done.
Let's see if I can land this one.
That one?
Yeah. I'm not going to say I got him yet because I lost the last four. Doesn't feel very big either. There he is. It's a little guy. It's okay, you can get off because you're a little guy. I'm good with you just jumping and getting off. Come here. Save me, well, watch one thing's flashing. There we go.
Okay. You got two hooks. Okay, let's hook this out. Let's get this one hook out from him. Oh, he got it good.
Right in that fleshy part in the corner of his mouth, eh?
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah, there we are.
Yeah, little guy.
Little guy.
Okay, buddy. See ya later.
Doom, doom, doom.
Fish. Oh, it's in the call. What I was doing.
Little guy too? Okay. And then.
Oh yeah, he got it.
See, that's front hooks he tacked. That one actually took the front hook. The most aggressive fish we've had all day. There we go. Another little guy. Boom.